Good morning. Today during seminar, you guys will be working on your Xello lessons. Since we all stopped at different points last spring on Xello, we need to make sure that you have all 4 of your lessons from last year at 100% completed. So some of you actually completed all 4 lessons, some of you only completed 3, some only 2. Your seminar teachers have access to the list on what you have completed and what you need to complete today. So if you are not sure, you need to make sure you check with them to see what exactly you need to do. So for your task today, you need to make sure all 4 of these lessons are at 100% completed. Careers and lifestyles, program prospects, work values, and workplace skills. Once you have all 4 of those lessons completed, you can go ahead and start working on next week's lesson, which is choosing a college or university. So when you log into Xello, also don't forget Xello is a part of your seminar grade, so you need to make sure you take it seriously and get these lessons completed. And also, a new rule for this year, in order to attend any club meetings, you need to make sure you are up to date on your Xello lessons and that they are completed. So if you don't complete all 4 of these lessons today during seminar, don't panic, because if you have internet at home, you can easily work on Xello at home and finish these lessons. So when you log in to Xello, you can do this through PowerSchool. Your dashboard is going to look a little bit differently this year. We updated it to the newer version. So over here on the left side, you will see all of the lessons and even lessons from last year. If you completed a lesson, then this little image will be colorful, and it'll also tell you that you're 100% completed. So make sure that you have these 4 lessons completed today, and you can go ahead and start working on next week's lesson, choosing a college or university. Before you start on that, you need to make sure you have at least 3 schools that you are interested in saved before you can go on. So I'm going to go ahead, type in Kansas. I want to stay in Kansas. It's going to come up with 2-year schools, 4-year schools. Okay. And then I'm interested in Fort Hays. I want to look at all of this data before I go ahead and save it. Save it. And then I can go back to my dashboard and make sure I have at least 3 or more schools saved before I can start that lesson. If you guys have any questions or need help, please feel free to call me or come up and chat with me. Have a great Wednesday.